Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma with After Effects. First, you'll need to install the AE plugin, which acts as a bridge between the two applications. Make sure it's installed in both Figma and After Effects. Next, prepare your Figma design by organizing your layers and components. Grouping elements logically will make the transfer much smoother and save you valuable time during the animation process. Once your Figma design is ready, select the specific frames or layers you want to animate in After Effects. Open the AE plugin within Figma and click the Send to AE button. You'll have options to export as shape layers, which are fully editable, or as pre-composed layers, offering more control over complex animations. This step is crucial for maintaining design fidelity. After sending from Figma, your design will instantly appear in After Effects as editable layers. This means you can directly manipulate paths, colors, and properties. Now, dive into After Effects' powerful animation tools. Use keyframes to define movement, apply easing for smooth transitions, and add effects to enhance your motion graphics. Experiment with different animation techniques to achieve your desired visual outcome. To optimize your workflow, always clean up your Figma file by removing unused layers and groups before exporting. In After Effects, consider using expressions for more dynamic and complex animations, saving you manual keyframing time. Finally, maintaining consistent naming conventions across both Figma and After Effects will significantly improve organization and collaboration, especially on larger projects with multiple team members.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.